Imagine making an extra $100 per day, all within the comfort of your home. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Welcome to the transformative world of online earning, where the boundaries of traditional income sources are shattered and replaced with limitless opportunities. One of these opportunities is the use of ChatGPT AI as a side hustle. ChatGPT AI, developed by OpenAI, is a conversational model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. It's not just a fancy tool, it's a potential goldmine, a new frontier for those seeking to diversify their income streams. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to scale your business, or someone just seeking to earn a little extra on the side, ChatGPT AI offers an exciting possibility. The digital world is evolving at a rapid pace, and it's high time we evolve with it. The internet has opened up a myriad of opportunities, and one such opportunity is ChatGPT AI. So what exactly is this ChatGPT we're talking about? Well, let's dig in. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a form of artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a chat with a friend who knows almost everything. That's ChatGPT for you. But don't mistake it for a simple chatbot. It's much more than that. ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, making it capable of understanding context, generating creative content, and even cracking a joke or two. From drafting emails, writing articles, to creating engaging social media content, ChatGPT's applications are as vast as your imagination. Industries from customer service to marketing are leveraging its capabilities for various tasks, making it a promising tool for those looking to earn a side income. As you see, ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a revolution in the world of AI. Now let's talk about the platforms that can help us monetize this AI. Google offers a variety of platforms that can be used to generate income. Let's start with Google Ads. This platform allows businesses to display ads, service offerings, product listings, and video content. By effectively leveraging Google Ads, you can drive traffic to your ChatGPT AI application, and ultimately, generate revenue. Next, we have Google AdSense, a program that allows you to earn money by displaying targeted ads alongside your online content. By integrating AdSense with your ChatGPT AI, you can earn passive income every time an ad is clicked. Finally, there's Google Cloud. This platform offers a suite of cloud computing services that can host your ChatGPT AI. By using Google Cloud, you can scale your operations, reach a larger audience, and increase your earnings. With these platforms, we can turn our ChatGPT AI into a money-making machine. Ready to set up your ChatGPT side hustle? Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to OpenAI's website and sign up for an API key. This will allow you to interact with ChatGPT and harness its capabilities. Once you have your API key, you'll want to start thinking about how you're going to use ChatGPT. Perhaps you're a writer and want to use it to generate ideas. Or maybe you're in customer service and want to use it to automate responses. The possibilities are endless, so take some time to brainstorm the best use for your particular skill set and industry. Next, you'll need a platform to host your ChatGPT application. Google Cloud Platform is a great option for this, as it offers scalable, reliable, and cost-effective cloud computing services. Plus, it's easy to set up and use, even if you're not a tech wizard. Now let's talk software. You'll need to use a programming language to interact with ChatGPT. Python is a popular choice due to its simplicity and vast library of resources. Don't worry if you're not a coder though. There are plenty of online resources and tutorials that can guide you through the process. Once you've got your API key, platform, and software sorted, it's time to start building your application. This might take some time and patience, especially if you're new to coding. But remember, every great side hustle starts with a learning curve. Embrace it, and before you know it, you'll have a functional ChatGPT application. Finally, you'll need to think about how you're going to market your side hustle. Think about your potential customers, where they hang out online, and how you can reach them. Social media, content marketing, and SEO are all effective strategies to consider. And there you have it, your very own ChatGPT side hustle is ready to roll. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is perseverance, so don't get discouraged if things don't take off right away. Keep refining your approach, learning from your mistakes, and pushing forward. Success might be just around the corner. Now let's talk money. How do we monetize our ChatGPT AI? ChatGPT, with its diverse capabilities, opens up a plethora of opportunities for monetization. The beauty of this is that you can tailor your monetization model to suit your audience and the value you're providing. First up, let's look at pricing models. If you're using ChatGPT to provide a service, such as content creation or customer support, you could consider a flat fee per service rendered. This could be per article written, per customer query handled, or per hour of service provided. Alternatively, you could opt for a subscription model. This works particularly well if you're offering ongoing services or access to a platform powered by ChatGPT. Your customers pay a regular fee, be it monthly or annually, to access your services. This provides a predictable income stream and helps build a loyal customer base. Another approach could be a freemium model, where basic services are provided for free, while advanced features or services come at a cost. This can be a great way to attract new users and let them sample your offerings before they commit to a paid plan. Then, there's the one-time payment option, suitable for products or services that are delivered in one go. For instance, if you're using ChatGPT to create a comprehensive market research report, a one-time payment model would be fitting. But remember, no matter what pricing model you choose, it's crucial to provide value that people are willing to pay for. Ensure that your ChatGPT-powered service or product is high quality, reliable, and meets a real need in the market. This is what will drive customers to your offering and convince them to part with their hard-earned money. And don't forget to keep experimenting. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Be open to tweaking your monetization strategy as you go along and stay attuned to what your customers want. So, there you have it. Monetizing your ChatGPT AI doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right strategy and a focus on providing value, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable venture. Remember, the key to successful monetization is to provide value that people are willing to pay for. Let's discuss some tips for success and some legal considerations you should be aware of. Firstly, to maximize your earnings with ChatGPT, you need to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their needs? Tailor your services to address these needs effectively. For instance, if your audience comprises business owners, offering services like content creation, customer service chatbots, or market research can be lucrative. Secondly, always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The AI landscape is always evolving, and so are the needs of your audience. Keep your services updated and in line with the latest trends. Thirdly, remember to set competitive prices for your services. Too high, and you might scare off potential customers. Too low, and you may not make a profit. Research what others in your niche are charging and set your prices accordingly. Now, onto legal considerations. It's essential to adhere to OpenAI's usage policies when using ChatGPT. Make sure you're not infringing on any copyrights, especially when generating content. Respect privacy laws and ensure you have the necessary permissions if you're collecting or using your customers' data. Ethically, it's important to be transparent with your customers about using AI in your services. Misrepresenting human-generated content as AI-generated or vice versa can harm your reputation and trustworthiness. Lastly, remember that while AI like ChatGPT can do a lot, it's not perfect. Always proofread and edit the AI-generated content to ensure it meets your standards and those of your customers. Success comes with responsibility. Always adhere to ethical guidelines and legal considerations. The future of AI is bright, and so are your opportunities with ChatGPT AI. As we navigate through the digital age, AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, opening up a world of possibilities. And ChatGPT AI is no exception. Consider this, the capabilities of ChatGPT AI are already impressive, and they're only going to get better. The more advanced it becomes, the more value it can offer and the more opportunities it can create for a side hustle. The landscape of AI is ever-changing, and with it the potential applications of ChatGPT AI. Industries that haven't even considered AI solutions could soon be ripe for disruption. And who's to say you won't be the one to bring that disruption? Think about the sectors that are already benefiting from AI. Everything from healthcare to education, e-commerce to customer service, even creative fields like writing and design. Now imagine the industries of the future, the ones that haven't even been created yet. These are the areas where your ChatGPT AI side hustle could really take off. But to seize these opportunities, you need to stay ahead of the curve. Keep up with the latest developments in AI, understand how they can enhance ChatGPT's capabilities, and how you can leverage them for your side hustle. The future is exciting, and with ChatGPT AI, you have a front row seat. So buckle up, stay updated with new advancements, and embrace the opportunities that come your way.